Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro lagging and slow performance. First thing that we're going to do is go to the Edit tab at the top left of Premiere, go to Preferences, and click on Memory right here. What we're going to do is to reduce the RAM reserved for other applications. For example, if yours is set to 11 or something higher, you can reduce it down to the minimum, which is usually 3 gigabytes. And once you have changed that, just click on OK, and there will be more RAM available for Premiere Pro, which can help with its performance. The next way is to reduce our preview video resolution right here by clicking on this playback resolution option below the preview video. And instead of setting it at full, we can set it to 1/2 or 1/4, or if it still lags at 1/4, you can set it to lower if it applies for your video. The next way would be to go to the part of your video on where it starts to lag. For example, it's right here, and we're going to set it as the in. So just click on this mark in option right here. You can also click the letter I on your keyboard. Now go to where the lag ends. You can hit O on your keyboard or clicking on this mark out option. Once you have done that, go to the sequence tab at the top left part, and we're going to click on render in to out. And that should render that part of the video, and once you play it back, it will be smoothly played back. And that is how I basically fix Adobe Premiere Pro lagging and slow performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.